Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Fenugreek has been shown to increase testosterone levels in men, which can help improve libido and muscle mass. Fenugreek can help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Fenugreek has been shown to help with skin problems, such as acne and eczema. The soluble pectin fiber in lemons expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. Citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH. The fiber in lemons can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Ingredients: fenugreek, lemon,